Economy. Question 1. Who became Deputy Governor of RBI on 2nd April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Poonam Gupta. Poonam Gupta, economist with global experience, was appointed RBI Deputy Governor on April 2nd, 2025, the first woman in that role in over a decade. Question 2. What fiscal deficit target did India set for financial year 2025 to 2026 in the Union Budget? Correct answer is option B, 4.4%. The 2025-26 Union Budget set a fiscal deficit target of 4.4% of GDP, alongside full tax rebate for incomes up to 12.75 lakh. Fiscal deficit is the difference between the total revenue and total expenditure of a government in a financial year. Fiscal deficit arises when the expenditure of a government is more than the revenue generated by the government in a given fiscal year. Question 3. OECD projects India's GDP growth at what rate in financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option D, 6.3%. OECD, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, forecasts 6.3% GDP growth for India in financial year 2025-26, highlighting strong domestic consumption and investment. However, risks include global slowdown, high inflation, and geopolitical instability affecting exports and capital inflows. Question 4. When was NABARD established? Correct answer is option B, 12 July 1982. NABARD was established on 12 July 1982 following recommendations of the B. Sivaraman Committee. It serves as an apex development bank to support agriculture and rural development by providing credit, policy support, and financial assistance to rural institutions and farmers. Polity. Question 5. The Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2025 relates to which subject? Correct answer is option C, simultaneous elections. The 129th Amendment Bill 2025 proposes a legal framework for simultaneous elections to Lok Sabha and state assemblies. It seeks to reduce election costs and administrative disruption, aligning all terms through phased elections or constitutional synchronization. Question 6. Which new article was proposed in 2025 to define digital privacy as a fundamental right? Correct answer is option A, Article 21B. In 2025, a draft constitutional amendment proposed Article 21B to recognize digital privacy as a fundamental right. It aims to safeguard citizens' data in digital spaces, aligning with the Supreme Court's 2017 judgment on privacy. Question 7. Who was appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. In 2025, Gyanesh Kumar took charge as 26th Chief Election Commissioner, a retired IS officer. He succeeded Rajiv Kumar. His priority includes strengthening electoral reforms, voter participation, and digital transparency in line with the Election Commission's modernization agenda. Question 8. Who was appointed as the 16th chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Justice Indira Banerjee. In 2025, Justice Indira Banerjee became the first woman chairperson of the NHRC. Her appointment marks a significant step towards gender inclusion in constitutional bodies, responsible for protecting human rights and ensuring constitutional safeguards. Science and Technology. Question 9. In 2025, which space agency announced the discovery of possible biosignatures on exoplanet K2-18b? Correct answer is option A, NASA. NASA scientists using the James Webb Space Telescope identified dimethyl sulfide, a potential biosignature gas, in the atmosphere of exoplanet K2-18b. This could indicate microbial life, making it one of the most exciting exoplanetary findings in astrobiology in 2025. Question 10. What high-resolution weather system did India launch in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bharat Forecast System. On 26 May 2025, India launched the Bharat Forecast System, a 6-kilometer grid weather model improving monsoon, cyclone, and localized forecasting capabilities. It significantly enhances disaster preparedness and agriculture planning by Natural Meteorological Services. Environment. Question 11. What is the name of the newly discovered berberis species found in the high-altitude forest of Tawang? Correct answer is option C, Berberis myriovula. Researchers discovered Berberis myriovula in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. It is unique for having up to 17 ovules per ovary, the highest among non-Berberis species globally. The discovery highlights the ecological richness and unexplored biodiversity of the eastern Himalayas. Question 12. Which Indian river was declared living entity with legal rights in 2025 by a high court? Correct answer is option D, Narmada. The Madhya Pradesh High Court granted the Narmada River legal rights in 2025, recognizing it as a living entity. This ensures stricter conservation norms, legal accountability for pollution, and better ecological protection under constitutional frameworks. Thank you for watching, and to support this channel, like, share and subscribe.